Oh my God, here we go, baby. This is it. Everybody, I'm sorry that I have been MIA for a little while. All right, so during quarantine, I ended up, you know, like everybody else, wanting to grow all my own plants. So I hopped off the deep end and I grew a bunch of weed plants. I mean, not actually a bunch, I mean 6, which was decent enough for me. I did all right. And then one of my neighbors ended up giving me seriously almost a pound worth of trim and just like popcorn nugs that he didn't have the patience for. So I was like, oh my gosh, like this would be great to have a rosin press with. And going into this new pandemic, oh shit, man, this is so heavy. I just figured, okay, it's about time I start messing with the rosin press. So I ended up ordering the rosin press, and that day my neighbor, a different neighbor, an old lady, told me she needed help identifying a plant. Came over and she had a massive marijuana plant. She had to have given me 3-4 pounds of weed. I mean, I have so much right now that I didn't even weigh it. I just like got it all into gallon bags and put it in my freezer. So I also ordered ice water hash bags and ice water extraction machine. So if you have not subscribed already, please go ahead and hit that fucking subscribe button. Hit that like button and stay tuned with me. I'm going to be learning how to freaking press on my brand new. Uh-oh. That didn't work out exactly how I wanted it. I don't know why. Okay, hold on. Wait a second. I'll be learning how to press on the brand new. Oh! Nugsmasher OG, baby! That's what I'm talking about. Damn, it's heavy. Alright. A handle. And, wait. Badass. Some more stickers, dude. Alright, so let me get into a little bit more. Let me unwrap this. Woo! She's a hefty one, boys. Alright. Ooh, she's pretty. The Nugsmasher. This is the OG version. Uh-huh. I am super excited right now. I cannot wait to get some of this freaking flower squeezed. So, let's get it set up, dude. Oh. Now, if you've ordered a Nugsmasher OG, but you have, or any Nugsmasher, you haven't gotten it yet, it doesn't come with an instruction manual. You have to print it off and get it, which is no big deal. I'm gonna be able to go get mine printed just right down the way, which I will go do. Perfect. Oh yeah, baby. I just brought my plates together because it does say when you turn it on, you want to bring your plates together to warm it up to temperature. And you can see This is the new version, I guess, because it has a detachable cord. And let me show you what else they got. They sent me a couple of sticker packets, a couple of really freaking cool stickers actually. Boom. Dabaholic. Dabs ahoy. I love that Dabs ahoy. Alright. I got 2 Nugsmasher magnets with this order. I got a, looks like a pre-cone, perfectly packed cones, fast and easy. Nug packer. We got a bunch of different microns bags to press with. Collection tools, 2 of them. And I got a Nugsmasher silicone mat. So this was just the unboxing, guys. I hope you guys liked it. If you have not used this Nugsmasher OG, or even if you have used it and you're looking for some tips and whatever, please, if you have those tips, comment below. If not, stay tuned. I'm going to be using this baby, and I am definitely going to be smashing some badass nuggets, dude. I'm so excited right now. Alright, guys, stay tuned. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.